not Red Hills Road in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. No, but Red Hills Road in Ontario, Canada.
So they have a nice restaurant.
Oh.
And the weddings and stuff on here, it's called the Ancaster Old Mill.
Ancaster Oatmeal?
Old Mill.
Old Mill.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I guess you guys have an old mill in Toronto. You ever been over there?
No.
I heard about it, but I've been there. There are no
We'd have to check them out.
Yeah.
A restaurant.
Restaurant and accommodation.
Okay. So everyone, we are back. It's a beautiful day, and I have a wonderful lady with me. Say hi, Carol, to everyone. She will be taking us to the place that I want to show to you today. When we're there, we'll let you know.
Lancaster, yeah.
Okay.
And this is taking us down towards Dundas. Look at it.
Yeah, beautiful. We are going to Pleasant Valley, this little community. See the man mowing his lawn. Look at this beautiful tree. Spectacular. Yeah, today is a beautiful day. Right
Look at the
there.
intense color that one.
Yes.
There are a lot of trails and stuff around here to walk for walks and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow, this is pretty.
Yeah. Splendid.
I said the escarpment. I live up on the mountain, Hamilton Mountain,
Right.
which is the escarpment as well. So it starts like that.
Yes.
You say, so we come down into the valley. This is Dundas.
Dundas Valley. Okay.
And up the road here they have the McMaster University.
Oh, cool.
So you're considered as where? No,
This is Dundas.
Oh my gosh, guys, have you seen that? Straight ahead. Look between those trees. What are you seeing?
mountain.
Beautiful, lush, colorful, like this one. colorful vegetation. Persons hanging out on a beautiful day.
Down in the valley.
Very intimate mountain.
Purple on that house. That is so cool. Honestly, that is cool. That is cool.
I know you love the interior design. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. People walking up the hill. Yes.
Okay.
They're going up the mountain to explore.
Over to your left, way over there. That's where we're coming from.
That's where we're coming from.
Yeah.
Yes. That other side. So we are on this side of Flamborough.
Yeah.
Yes. So we are going up the mountain Dundas Valley, right over there, Dundas Valley Golf Club, and we are going up. You feel it?
We're going up the mini mountain.
Yes, mini. I can imagine the amount of people who traverse this area at this time.
Oh yes.
Just to come and see the splendor of the colors of the fall. And as we know, the evergreen tree is always green. There we go. And some trees have already gone to sleep.
So this little town is called Greensville.
Greensville.
Yeah. And in this little town, there's a waterfall. It's called Webster's Falls.
Webster's Falls.
You're gonna see so if it's a weekday, the best time to come really truly is on a weekday. But let's see if the road is open to go down here.
Okay. Wow. That's mind blowing. Wow, people are there. Yeah. Oh, nice. So this is Spencer Gorge Conservation Area, Webster Falls parking. Okay, parking lot right there.
You know what, let me go in.
Yeah.
And then we park and we can walk.
Yeah.
Please stretch your legs a little.
Yeah.
Unless you want to do them all at different days.
Hello my beautiful people. We are at a beautiful place right up in the hills. Come on, what's the name of this place again? Greensville.
And you're at Webster's Waterfall.
And we're at Webster's Water Park. Greensville. We don't see much green, we see colors. Full colors. Look at the breeze. Show them how the wind is moving the trees right there. Beautiful, spectacular. Yeah, so we are at Greensville. Beautiful, beautiful place, and we are at Webster's. We're going to go to the Webster's Waterfall, so join us. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Down there we have, right down there we have Webster's Waterfall, and it says that Webster's Fall is in Dundas, the largest waterfall in the region, and also it states that it's one of the most popular locations, waterfalls, and so we are heading down there right now to have a look. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Wow. Wow. Beautiful people, we are at this connecting bridge from the waterfall. If you look further down, you see it going over, but we are going to go all the way down and see what it owes. Beautiful. I love the sound of the water, and if you look, you see a lot of beautiful trees because we are in the fall. Trees change color and give us this vibrant, lively, upbeat foliage. So let's go to the waterfall. Thank you, darling. Nice. Extremely nice. Wonders of Canada. Yes. Or you can sit right there and enjoy yourself.
I think this kind of here you get a little bit better.
Oh, wow. One of the largest waterfalls. They have barriers to protect us because it's it's really mountainous, a lot of rocks and a precipice. So you can see how the water has cut its way around this mountain, and you have rocks all over the place. Beautiful, beautiful. And if you look, you see the colors, different colors, yellow, red leaves from the trees. They are changing, they are spectacular. Oh, this is wonderful, therapeutic. Natural. This is Canada's wonder. You can hear the burst of the water. You can hear it going down there. It sounds different. The ones that are beating off the stone right there, it sounds different. And when it's going over, it has a different sound. Can you hear it? I'm going to stop talking so you can hear it. Do you like this little house? Cute.
So it's become a little fairy tale story in this community. Real fairy tale story around here.
They would take them here for pumpkin patch tour and stuff like that.
Oh, nice. Where? Okay. Oh, I see people with pumpkin. I see people parking and going over there. Yeah.
They do pastries and they sell fresh produce and they try to source. They try to source a lot of local stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
You can see that, it's
Yes.
full.
Yeah.
Full. Oh.
Nice and fresh.
Yes. Oh. Wow. So guys, this is a place that they
Make
fresh pies and natural
All kind of pastries.
pastries. Yes. this is a major road. It's called Dundas.
From Hamilton to
So from Hamilton to Mississippi, right?
It's called Highway 5. However, it's
5.
called Dundas Street.
Yes.
See? 5 west, 5 east.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's run from
Major road.
west to east.
I thought it would be a little bit quieter.
Wow, guys, look at vehicles. Look at vehicles. So we are at the Tiny Shop Bakery. Turn here for a fresh fruit pie. Our friend has carried us here to get something to eat. There's a farm here that persons can come and pick pumpkin.
It's now 16 minutes after 5. If you're going down Portia, you see the lake in the distance. Can you see it?
Yes, I see it. It's beautiful. Wow. So guys, we're going back down escarpment. I've been blown away. Beautiful day, beautiful trees, beautiful waterfall, and beautiful Carl.
Going.
Yeah, I think this is 403.
Yeah.
That's where we just come from. Highway 6.
Yeah.
When you cross over.
Well, thank you, Carl, for a wonderful afternoon.
Oh, you're beautiful.
It was a beautiful.
I'm glad you guys came out. You know when it's made for difficulty driving? When it's snowy, and then the truth.
Oh, yes.
When it's snow and the sun is shining.
Oh yeah.
Boulevard, Hamilton.
On the mountain, we don't feel like it, but
And
we are
here's
on the
another
mountain.
hospital over here.
St. Joseph.
Here.
So all of them is St. Joseph, but different locations.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
We are at the Albion Falls in Hamilton. Yes, another waterfall. Beautiful, isn't it? Wonderful. It's a distance from us, but we can still appreciate its beauty, its layers as it runs down the different rocks formation. Really nice. And if you look, what do you see around it? Beautiful colors, splendid colors, red, burgundy, yellow, orange, green. Wonderful. We are in paradise. Welcome to paradise. We are going to enjoy it. Take it in. Breathe the fresh air. Breathe the fresh air. Oh, this is breathtaking. This is rejuvenating. Yes. A beautiful day like today. With this beautiful waterfall. With this beautiful environment. Parking lot is just right there. You can stop by and chill out for a little while. You can take a seat and watch the falls. Chat with your loved ones. Yeah? Really nice. So, Hamilton, you have me going. You have me going. Oh gosh, everything has been stunning. really enjoying this day, this blessed day. We're actually in Falls, October the 19th, 2024, on a Sabbath. What better place to spend it in nature? Yes. God, creation is the best.
Broken. She's so bored. Oh my god, these streets are so dangerous. Come on. Yeah, there's something in them, man. Oh wow. Look at her go. Yeah, I know.
What city we looking at? Burlington?
Over there, well, you're looking, you can, hey, on a good clear day, you can see the sea and town.
Ah,
You understand?
So we're looking back more east then.
Well, it's spread out both ways,
Mississauga,
right?
okay.
Yeah. You look Niagara side and we